Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create user in Knorish and subscriber in ConvertKit from Webhook response. So I'm conducting an online course through Knorish and I am receiving new registrations through my form that I have created. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new form submission, then automatically using that student details, a new user should be created in my Knorish account, and after that using the same details, a new subscriber should be created in my ConvertKit account as well. So I'm going to connect the form using Webhook by Pabbly, and here to build this entire automation, I'm going to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create user in Knorish and subscriber in ConvertKit from Webhook response. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run an online course platform using Knorish, and I want to make sure that every time someone enrolls in one of my courses, they are automatically added to both my platform and my email list. So by creating an automation that adds a user to Knorish and subscribes them to ConvertKit from a Webhook response, I can save time and ensure a smooth experience for my students. So whenever someone signs up for my course through my Elementor form which I have created using Elementor, I want them to instantly become a user in Knorish to access the course and a subscriber in ConvertKit, so I can send them welcome emails, course updates and additional resources. This way, everything is handled seamlessly without any manual effort from my side. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Elementor form with my Knorish and my ConvertKit account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given in the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create a user in Knorish and subscriber in ConvertKit from Webhook response. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as a feature by Pabbly, that is Webhook by Pabbly. So here I'm going to use a feature by Pabbly, that is Webhook by Pabbly, because I'm going to use this particular feature to connect my form with Pabbly Connect. So here using Webhook by Pabbly, I can connect any application that is not natively integrated with Pabbly Connect, and by simply using this Webhook by Pabbly, I can automatically receive the information from my one application to another application which are not natively integrated inside Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to use Webhook by Pabbly to connect my form with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as Sketch Webhook preferred over here. And here you can see after selecting my trigger event, I have received the Webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this Webhook URL to connect my form with Pabbly Connect. So here, as I've already told you, that I have created my form using Elementor. And Elementor is a plugin of WordPress. And for your information, let me tell you that Elementor is already natively integrated inside Pabbly Connect. But here I'm using Webhook by Pabbly to show you that how you can use Webhook by Pabbly to integrate any other application which is not natively integrated with Pabbly Connect using this Webhook by Pabbly. So here I'm going to use this Webhook URL to connect my Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this Webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Elementor account, and this is the Elementor form that I've created using Elementor. And now I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor given over here. And from here I'm going to select my form element. And here, after selecting my form element, you can see I have received the options over here. So here I'm going to select actions after submit that I have received in the left side bar. And here under actions after submit, I'm going to select my action by clicking on this add action step button given over here. And here in this action, I'm going to select my action as Webhook over here. I'm going to select it, and here you can see after selecting the action over here, we have received the option for webhooks over here. So now I'm going to click on it, and here you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL. So here I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and now here after entering this webhook URL, I'm going to click on this update given over here. And with this, I have successfully published my updated form, and now I'm going to click on this preview changes. So with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Elementor form, and we have successfully connected our form with Pabbly Connect. So moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test submission in our form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as lead, email as testlead@pabblytudes.com. And then here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the send given over here. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the form name as new form, scrolling little down. Here you can see the first name as test over here. Here you can see the last name as lead, scrolling little down. Here you can see the phone number that we have received. And lastly, here you can see the email that we have received through our form. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now let's move to our action step. And here in this action step, what we are going to do is that we are going to enroll the student that we have received through our form to our course in Knorish. So in the action step, I'm going to select my action application as Knorish over here. So Knorish is an online platform that helps people create and sell courses, memberships, and digital products. It's perfect for creators, coaches, and businesses who want to share their knowledge and earn money online. People use Knorish because it makes building a professional website for courses super easy with features for video hosting, payment integration, and marketing tools. Whether you're teaching a skill, sharing expertise, or offering exclusive content, Knorish gives you everything you need to grow your online business quickly and efficiently. So in my Knorish action step, I'm going to select my action event as add user to a course. So that whenever we are going to receive the new response through our form that we have connected using Webhook by Pabbly, then automatically using the details, the student is going to add as a user to my course in my Knorish account. And now here to connect my Knorish account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Knorish account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the website URL and the API key. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Knorish account, and from here I'm going to click on the settings given in the left side bar, and here under settings I'm going to select the integrations over here, and here under integrations I'm going to select Pabbly Connect over here. And here under Pabbly Connect, you can see we have received the website URL and the Pabbly Connect key over here. So now I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I've successfully entered both the details, and now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the name, email, send, create password email, and the course ID. So here instead of entering the name and the email manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response we have received in the previous step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through a form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the name. So for that I'm going to select the first name first, and then I'm going to map the last name. So here I've successfully entered the first name and the last name, and then here it is asking me for the email. So here I'm going to map the email. So this is my lead's email. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for send, create password email. So here in the help text it says enter either 0 or 1. 0 means don't send email and 1 means send email. So I'm going to send the email. That's why I'm going to enter the value as 1 over here, but you can add the value as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the course ID over here. So here to get this course ID, let me take you to my Knorish account. So here in my Knorish account, I need to enter the course ID in which I want to add this particular user. So for that, let me take you to this courses section given over here. And here under courses, you can see the courses that I have created using Knorish. So here I'm going to select my particular course, that is Advanced PHP course. So I'm going to open it. And then here you can see in the URL, we have received the course ID. So I'm going to copy it over here. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the course ID. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a user in our Knorish account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to click on this users option given over here, and I'm going to scroll it little down. And here you can see we have successfully created a new user with the name testlead over here. Here you can see the email as testlead@pabblytunes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step. Now let's move to another action step by clicking on this add action step button given over here. And now here in this action step, what we are going to do is that we are going to create the same lead as a subscriber in our ConvertKit account so that we can further send the follow-up emails. So ConvertKit is an email marketing tool that helps bloggers and online creators send emails to their followers automatically. It lets you organize your subscribers into different groups and send them personalized messages based on their interest. ConvertKit is easy to use and helps you grow your email list effectively by tracking how well your emails perform. So here in my ConvertKit action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscriber to a form, so that after creating a user in my Knorish account, automatically the lead should be added as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account as well. And now here to connect my ConvertKit account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your ConvertKit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key and the API secret. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my ConvertKit account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given over here, and then I'm going to click on the settings given over here. And here under settings, I'm going to scroll it little down, and then I'm going to select the developer option given in the left side bar. And here under developer, you can see under API keys, we have received the API key and the API secret. So now I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering both the details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So I'm going to select the form that I have created in my ConvertKit account, which is named as lead form. So I'm going to select it. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the first name, email, tags, last name, and the mobile number. So now here I'm going to enter all the details. So here I'm going to enter the first name first. So again here I'm going to map my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name. Moving forward, here I'm going to enter the email. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is my lead's email. Moving forward, here this tags is not required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add the tag, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the last name, I'm going to map the last name. So this is the last name. Moving forward, and lastly it is asking me for the mobile number. So I'm going to map the mobile number. So this is the mobile number, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber inside our ConvertKit account. So now let's go and check it. And here under subscriber, you can see that we have successfully created a new subscriber with the name test over here and the email as testlead@pabblytudes.com. So here you can see that my subscriber is a confirmed subscriber because I have received the mail on my ConvertKit mail account, and from here I had to confirm the subscriber over there. So here to get the confirmed subscribers, you have to confirm the subscription of your subscriber from your mail account. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we are going to make another submission through our form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as Lead, email as smartlead@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to enter some random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this send. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let's go and check our Knorish account first. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new user with the name SmartLead and email as smartlead@pabblytudes.com. So now let's go and check our ConvertKit account. And here in our ConvertKit account, you can see we haven't received a new subscriber under our confirmed subscribers over here. So from here, I'm going to show you all subscribers. And here under all subscribers, you can see we have successfully created a subscriber with the name Smart and the email as smartlead@pabblytudes.com over here. So here you can see the status is unconfirmed because I haven't confirmed the subscription of this particular subscriber on my mail account. So once I'll do that, then automatically it is going to be added in my confirmed subscribers. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Webhook by Pabbly and our action as Knorish and ConvertKit, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our form which I've connected using Webhook by Pabbly, then automatically using the detail, a new user is going to be created in my Knorish account, and after that automatically the same lead is going to be added as a subscriber in my ConvertKit account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.